And the sun is shining straight into you. Let me just see if I can close this window quickly. I cannot get over how hot it actually is. It's just so humid. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Polly. Oh, let me show you the dollhouse. Dollhouse. Oh, there we go. That way. See? Dollhouse is quite big. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can change. Sorry, just bear with me. I'm trying to figure out how to handle all the things. There we go. So let's put this down there. I'm just gonna assume that you can see what I'm doing. Viking longboat. Viking doll. So she's got a little thing that you can put around her. A fox stole. It's got that comes off there. And then the pirate ship. Oh, what fell off here? See, here's the pirate ship. And then you can open that up and see this secret treasure. Secret. It's like coins and things that people have given me over the years. From all over the world. Here we go. And then I don't know what this thing is called. I think it's called a figurehead. So the boat is called Three Fishes. And the fishies are blind. It's a mercat. Because obviously, see, there's the cat. There's the little. See, everything is brown, so you can't see it's holding a fish. You see, it's holding a fish. And then there's the one fish, and there's the other fish, and that's why it's three fishes. Let me put this back. And then my favorite. Okay, I'll leave my favorite for last. Out of all the dolls that's on these things, I know someone asked me once, why do I not, do the dolls have names? I don't actually name these dolls because they're all just versions of me. So Mini Z, out of all of them, this is my this is my favorite because she looks the most like me. Astronaut, and that's her mask thing. Let me see if I can do that. There we go. See, that's one of those other half of an Easter egg thing. And then you put that on the back. There we go. And then she's got a backpack for the oxygen or whatever. Open it. There's nothing in there. It's just all cardboard. That one also. Got a little pocket. See? And that's all the little robots. These are all just pins. My guys. My guys. This is that hard plastic stuff you wrap gifts with. Cellophane. It's like a piece of cellophane that I just sewed it on at the back. This is the step ladder to get into the. So she opened. Like, how else is she supposed to get in? So she's like there, and then she climbs up and she gets inside. It's not very pretty inside, but she fits. Let's put that. This thing's always falling over. I would like to try and make this one again, just so that I can get the legs stable. Ugh, it's fine. Put this in there. Put that in there. Oh, okay. So here's the rest of the pirate. She's got all little goodies. Uh, eye patch. All of the stuff comes off. And then the steering wheel. I don't know what this thing is called. I call it a steering wheel. It kind of goes somewhere in there. And then she's got. Oopsie, what fell? I think something else fell. And now I'm standing on my toes. A little gun. Gun. Pistol. See there. Cutlass. So she can hold it. The day on the beach. So there's a little. This is a beach blanket. It can open up. And it's got like all her clothes. Let me just see if I can. See, it's got change of lots and lots of clothes. There's a seagull. Let's put the seagull there for now. Hat, clothing. She's got, oh, it says goggles and a flippers. There's flippers. Floaties, a couple of floaties. A life preserver, safety first. Beach cover up. All of that. Yesterday was my birthday, so I went for a morning swim. That was the first doll that I made. First me. Little fish and stuff. And I found this in my bag of half finished stuff. And it's like a little dress. It actually fits her. So that's part of the dollhouse now. Egyptian story. I've been giving it offerings. I've made these little plates. These little plates. And I've been giving it little offerings. I've been making a lot of mobiles, baby mobiles. So I usually do like small little things that I add onto the strings. And I've just been making like a few extra. And I've been giving it to my Egyptian pharaoh. It feels like it needs offerings. Little dragonfly. And these are like the papyrus and the lotus flowers. And just laying there, like all the clothing is under there. I would still like to carry on with that. Next year, for the next 100-day project, I'm going to carry on with that. I do want to make her sarcophagus. And some boxes for all of that stuff that's under there. Yes, my ninja girls. Hey, ninja. That's her cap. Bows and arrows. There's the arrows, bow. That's her sword. And then nunchucks. 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 So I had this one. I made this one. And I thought I lost it. So then I made another one. And I'm glad then I found that one. But now you can see they've got like two different size chains. That's a normal person size chain. And these are chains that I made. Links that I made. Specifically for that. These are like a packet that I bought somewhere. And then geisha doll. Torii Gate, Japanese Torii Gate. This story was called Sundays Are for reading, for listening to music, for sleeping. This gray square. There's the rest of them that I have, and these are the last 4 left. This cotton is where's this Raisa cotton? Like this type of Raisa cotton, but you don't like this color is thingy. I don't have this white anymore. This grey is that grey. Oh, that one. It was one of the dye lots of this one. And that's, yeah, so like this is never going anywhere. I think I've only got like a small ball of this left. That's never going to get used again. There. She's got some plants and she can water plants. She's got a coat at the back. There's a table underneath all her magazines. And then my mermaid story. Oh, there's my sea monster. Let's do that. Um. Okay, let's see if I can do that. Here we go. The sea monster. Oh, cool. Let's see what. Okay, maybe it needs to work a little bit differently. Do that. Oopsie, later. Cool. Oh, and then my favorite. These are just pins. I made one for that story over there. And then I ended up making two more for the tutorial videos. So now they're all just on here. And then this is the, when you open, so you open it, and then they must climb up into there. That's just a circle, big kind of basket circle thing. That's a circle on the outside. And these things are not stable. So when I do make them again, because I am, I'll just figure that out again. And then I've got to study in clouds. Since the beginning of the year, because I make a lot of uh, mobiles and things with clouds. So I've been trying different clouds with different types of cotton, just to see what happens to the stuff over time, so that I know like what to use, what not to use, what's going to happen to the stuff. Because remember, once you make the stuff and it leaves, you don't know what it is. So this is the 50-50 stuff, and it's funny how this is that fluffy stuff. It actually looks fluffier uh, than this. Or maybe it's just me being nitpicky. See that one? I used a formal hook, and that was in August. This one, 50-50 formal. This was in February. See, the stuffing's already started expanding in this one. Oh, this and that is in August. Yeah. See, that's interesting. Same hook. Is it the same hook? 3.5 more hook. Oh, that's interesting. Uh, let's see. No. Peter Rabbit. This bunny is still by far the most popular pattern I've ever written. Also, one of the most popular dolls. It makes a great baby gift. And then I've got this little. I've got a lot of bunny patterns actually. Oh, I need to sew this down again. I think one of these within the next 2 or 3 months. This is one of the patterns that we're gonna probably be making. Um, if you're a beginner, we'll see how it goes. Just to give you an idea of how shaping works, because these are all separate pieces technically. Actually, this is one piece. All of that. Head is a separate piece, arms a separate piece. See? Bunnies can have different heads. That one's like, this is all one piece. This entire bunny is one piece. That isn't. See? This head is sideways. This circle is worked from this way up. This one is gone. Does that. Can you see? That's the end there. Okay. Um, Let me put this thing back on here. Let's see. You can look at Polly while I figure this out. And that's pretty much it, I think. Let me know what you'd like to see on the channel. Let me know what times or which days you would prefer to go live. Interesting. Yeah, you're probably used to this already. Can you see how hot it is? I'm actually just like sweating. Right. Me and Polly. Look at Polly. Look at Polly. Because I know you're actually just here for her. Thank you for joining me. Where's her head? Thank you for joining me. On my room tour. How does this work again? Thank you for joining me on my tour of the workshop. I don't know which side this camera is. I will post this live. I'm going to edit it a bit because I quite a bit. But thanks. Have a great Christmas and a New Year. And then I'm going to get started first thing in the new year. There's going to be a new video. I will post. I'll do a poll where you can choose what you want to see, but I would like to do how to read a crochet pattern next month. Let me know if that's okay. Otherwise, let me know what it is that you want to see. Thank you very much. And thank you for being my patrons, my new patrons, my first patrons. So exciting. Love you guys. Bye.